Although invisible to the naked eye, each star in the night sky outshines our sun, both in size and brightness. However, among about 5,000 brighter stars, only a handful of faint ones are comparable to the sun in both aspects. Isn't this a thought-provoking notion, especially on a summer night when the sky is cloudless? Have you ever gazed up, witnessing the immense array of stars? This view is just a glimpse of what the James Webb Space Telescope has captured from star clusters. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA news, and other space-related information. Now let's jump right in. Number 1. Messier 47, the Open Star Cluster. Located in the southern constellation of Puppis, the Messier 47, M47, star cluster resides 1,600 light-years away from Earth. It holds a magnitude of 4.2 on the visible scale and is cataloged as NGC 2422 in the New General Catalog. Occupying an apparent sky area of 30 arc-minutes, around 12 light-years, M47 is comparable in size to the full moon. It's estimated to be around 78 million years old. To spot M47, simply look east and north of Sirius, the brightest star in the Canis Major constellation, about 12 degrees away. An orange giant in Monoceros, the Unicorn constellation, can be observed 5 degrees south of the cluster. Number 2. NGC 371, an open cluster in the Small Magellanic Cloud. NGC 371, an open cluster, resides within the Small Magellanic Cloud in the Tucana constellation. It's situated approximately 200,000 light-years away and is also known as Hodge 53. Number 3. The Large Magellanic Cloud, elliptical globular cluster. This open cluster, designated NGC 1978, is found within the Dorado constellation. Also known as ESO 85SC90, it was discovered by James Dunlop on November 6, 1826. The cluster is located within the Large Magellanic Cloud and is divided into two parts: the northern half, which is richer in iron, and the southern half, which has relatively little iron. Terzan 5. This cluster contains a diverse range of stars and is believed to be a relic from the early Milky Way. It's situated in the galactic bulge. Number 4. Terzan 5, a diverse stellar cluster. Terzan 5 is an intriguing stellar cluster with a unique mix of stars. It was discovered by astronomers studying the galactic bulge and is likely one of the primordial building blocks of the Milky Way. Number 5. Stellar explosion in Orion, a glimpse into star birth. The Orion Nebula Complex has revealed explosions that mark the birth of massive stars, offering insights into the early stages of star formation. These explosive events demonstrate that star birth can be a tumultuous process. Number 6. The Tarantula Territory, a minor satellite galaxy. The Large Magellanic Cloud hosts a minor satellite galaxy known as NGC 2100, which contains the open cluster NGC 21s. These clusters have lifespans of tens to hundreds of millions of years before eventually dispersing due to gravitational interactions. Number 7. KMNK 1137, Center of the Tarantula Nebula. The central region of the Tarantula Nebula is visible in this view, along with the globular cluster KMHK 1137. The Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, contains this cluster. Number 8. The star cluster is known as RCW38, RCW38 star cluster. A broader expanse covering the star cluster RCW38 is situated approximately 5,500 light-years distant in the direction of the Vela constellation. A nascent cloud of gas and dust still cloaks the stars within RCW38, forming what's termed an embedded cluster. The infant stars and planets within are subjected to fierce winds and abundant light from young, massive stars. These titanic stars, with limited lifespans, aided by enormous stars that eventually go supernova, create a forceful barrage. In specific cases, this bombardment can erode potential matter for future planetary systems. Scientists believe that our solar system might have originated in such a turbulent environment. Number 9. The Jewel in the Sword. This photograph highlights compact portions of the Orion Nebula, displaying intriguing features. It unveils the intricate patterns forming at the bright bar, shaped by intense light and powerful winds from the hot trapezium stars. These stars carve their way through the surrounding molecular cloud. Young red objects, partially concealed by the cloud, are also visible. These objects may soon be revealed as new members of the trapezium cluster. Number 10. NGC 1850. NGC 1850 resides within the southern Dorado constellation, alongside other stars in the sky. Most of these stars can be seen with the naked eye on clear nights. The Large Magellanic Cloud, a neighboring galaxy to the Milky Way, houses the star cluster NGC 1850, situated roughly 160,000 light-years away. Number 11. NGC 6397, found in the Eridanus constellation. NGC 6397, also known as Caldwell 86, is a globular cluster. It's among the two closest globular clusters to us, located about 7,800 light-years away. The cluster contains over 400,000 stars, all visible to the naked eye under optimal conditions. NGC 6397 has undergone core collapse, resulting in a densely packed core, a characteristic shared with around 20 other globular clusters in the Milky Way. Number 12. Open Cluster Hafner 18. Hafner 18 showcases distinct stages of star formation. A mature collection of stars represents the final result, while an emerging star within a gas cocoon illustrates ongoing star formation. Active stellar nurseries are also visible, with approximately 50 stars present, including short-lived giants like FM 3060A. Number 13. Region N214c. Nebula N214c is situated within the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite of the Milky Way. This stellar nursery, located in the Dorado constellation, spans about 170 light-years. It features the compact cluster SK7151 and a blob of ionized plasma. Number 14. Blue Dwarf Galaxy NGC 5253. NGC 5253, situated in Centaurus, is one of the closest known blue compact dwarf galaxies, characterized by active star-forming areas. Despite their low metal content, these galaxies foster star creation. Number 15. Hodge 301. Brilliant massive stars are visible in the Tarantula Nebula. Cluster R136, much older than Hodge 301, contains stars that have already gone supernova. Hodge 301 harbors 3 red supergiants destined to explode in the next million years. If you've enjoyed insights in this video, we greatly appreciate your support. Be sure to show your appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button and joining our community of engaged viewers. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be in the front row for all our upcoming content, ensuring you never miss a moment of the exciting discoveries and discussions that lie ahead.